In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ready for making tax digital for VAT in Xero. If you've been navigating the transition toward making tax digital, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to set up your Xero account efficiently and ensure compliance. To begin, you'll need to log into your Xero accounting software, head over to the Xero website and look for the login button. Once you've clicked on this, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Enter your credentials and click the login button once more. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. From here, navigate to the Accounting tab at the top of the page and click on it. Next, you'll see an option labeled Advanced. Select this to proceed. Under the Advanced menu, locate and click on Financial Settings. It is crucial to ensure that your VAT scheme is set up correctly at this point. This setup is essential for handling your VAT returns accurately. If you find that there are changes needed, be sure to click Save to apply any modifications. Returning to the Accounting menu, click on Chart of Accounts. Here, you'll want to verify that all VAT in the tax rate is correct. This verification step is critical to ensure that your financial records reflect the right VAT amounts. Once confirmed, head back to the Accounting menu and click on Reports. In the Reports section, look for UK VAT return and click on it. This is where you can set up Making Tax Digital or MTD for VAT within Xero. If you haven't already signed up for MTD, you'll see an option to do so here. After completing the sign up process, click Continue. Following this, you'll be ready to connect to HMRC. To proceed, click the Connect to HMRC button. Here, you'll need your government gateway user ID and password. Enter these details and click Sign In. Be sure to carefully read the HMRC authority information, which will inform you about the data sharing and permissions involved in this connection. Once satisfied with the details, click Grant Authority to allow Xero to communicate with HMRC on your behalf. By following these steps, you should now be all set up for making tax digital for VAT in Xero. This ensures that your business remains compliant with the latest digital tax requirements, providing a smoother and more efficient accounting experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.